Do you want to know how to learn a new skill from scratch and start making money online using free AI tools? Then stop scrolling, because in this video, I'll show you how thousands of people just like you are using free AI tools to build real skills and earn real income. Let's begin. First, what are AI tools? AI tools are smart apps that can write content, design graphics, create videos, and even speak like a human. You just give a prompt, and the AI does the rest. And the best part is, most of them are free to start with. Let me show you some examples. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, job applications, product descriptions, or even video scripts like this one. Many people on Fiverr are earning $50 to $100 per project using this tool. Just learn how to write good prompts, and you're ready to go. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Even if you have no design skills, Canva AI helps you create logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and more. It's great for small businesses or freelance work. Tool number 3, Eleven Labs. This is the most advanced AI voice tool right now. Just type your script, and it speaks it out in a human voice. If you want to run a faceless YouTube channel, this tool is your best friend. Tool number 4, Pictory AI. You upload a script, and it automatically makes a video using start clips, subtitles, and voiceover. A full YouTube video, ready in just a few minutes. Now, the big question. Can you really make money using these tools? Yes, absolutely. Teenagers, students, stay-at-home moms, and even retired people are using AI tools to start freelancing, content creation, and even e-commerce, all without needing a college degree. But remember, the tools only work if you do. The key is learning how to use them the right way. So here is your action plan. Pick one tool, like ChatGPT. Watch tutorials for 7 days. Start offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram. Keep practicing, and within 1 month, you will have skills people are willing to pay for. This is not a shortcut to millions, but it is the smartest way to start in 2025. Do you want a full video series where I teach you step by step how to use these tools and earn online? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real education that works. See you in the next one.